Hello everyone, welcome to the Wishing Sphere Black Master Edition usage video. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Wishing Sphere goes together and how to start using it immediately. So once you've unpacked the Wishing Sphere from your box you received it in, you want to go ahead and open it up. And you're going to notice three different compartments: the base, the crystal ball, and the four corners. And then these bags in here contain the stone configurations. One thing to understand is when these ship, there's going to be a lot of packing material in here, which means that the presentation that I normally love to show when you open up something, it's just going to be more packing material in there because of the way this is shipping. This product is extremely heavy. So once you receive it, go ahead and take the base out. You notice the base has the 4 earth symbols on there. We have earth, and I'm sorry, you can just barely see them, but it's right here. You have earth, air, water, and fire. These are the true symbols, the true names of these meanings. And on the bottom, we have the flower of life laser engraved in there. We have a nice big compartment in here that holds the engine, which is the tanzanite. We have 4 different corners. Okay. It's important to notice on each of the corners, there is a different symbol. One symbol per corner that is different. This one kind of looks like an M. I'll show you how these go in there in a minute. Go ahead and finish taking them out. Of course, we have the 120 millimeter 5-pound bowling ball. This is black crystal, born for this particular project. It is absolutely magnificent, and it just sits on top of the pedestal. And of course, we have the stone configurations, which I'm going to go over now, and we'll put it together and we will get rocking and rolling. Okay, so first thing we're going to go over is the stone configurations. Go ahead and you open these up. In this one, we have 8 rubies that I have sourced from India. They are absolutely beautiful. These were really the best quality ones that I could find for this project, and they are just radiating energy. We also have four pieces of jewelry quality Libyan sand glass. This is the best Libyan sand glass I have ever seen, and I have secured enough for this production run. Not sure what's going to happen in the future once we sell out, but they're here and they're available today. And then, of course, we have the star, the rock star of the entire show, which is tanzanite. Now, tanzanite, folks, comes in all different colors. There's blues in there, there's greens in there, as I've seen a little bit of red in there. And these are just high quality pieces of beautiful tanzanite. This is the engine for the Wishing Sphere Black Master Edition. Okay, so to put this together, we're going to go ahead and put the centerpiece together first. So this is the centerpiece, the pedestal. What we do is we want to just put the engine inside, which is the tanzanite, and go ahead and don't drop because it will break, your Wishing Sphere on top. And then you're going to want to take a corner. Now, each one of the corners, again, has the flower of life on the bottom and has 3 holes that are in here. There's a larger one and 2 smaller ones. The 2 smaller ones are for the rubies, and you can go ahead and just drop them in there. And then you'll want to take 1 piece of Libyan sand glass and just put it in there. Now, what you'll notice is, again, you'll see these symbols on the back. Those want to be facing out. So when you go ahead and you put it close to the corner, but you don't want to touch it, you just go like that. And then again, on this side, the the symbol is facing out. So again, we will continue with another corner. 2 pieces of uncut rubies from India. And we'll go ahead and put that there. Do another corner. 2 pieces of ruby. 1 piece of Libyan sand glass. And it's okay, folks, if it doesn't fit in the holes, because the Libyan sand, all the stones come in different sizes. So if it doesn't fit, it's fine. It could just sit there. As long as it's in the correct position in that hole, which is configured for, we're good to go. And again, now these are new symbols, which I'll do in a later video, but they house a tremendous amount of power for this particular product. Go ahead and drop that there. Okay, so this is the configuration of the Wishing Sphere Black. Now, operational use is unlimited. As many wishes a day as you want, as many times a day as you want. First things first is activation, okay? What you're gonna wanna do is move your hands close to the ball, but you don't wanna touch it, and just kind of wrap them around, and you put your attention on the tanzanite underneath. And you repeat those 8 sacred words. I honor the space in which you exist. And I'm sure you can feel the power coming out of this unit now. So now, once your wishing sphere is activated, and if you own another one, you already know this, and you have to make wishes for other people first. Making wishes for other people is really simple. You just sit there and you say, I wish for, so-and-so to have a prosperous life. And what you're doing is you are doing acts of kindness in the universe. You're sending out more love and light in the universe by helping others before you help yourself, okay? I recommend making half a dozen to a dozen wishes, 6 to 12 wishes for other people in the first couple days. And that does a couple things. One, it's showing that the universe is being put on notice that you are sending out beautiful, massive vibration into the universe and doing good onto others. But 2, the wishing sphere is simultaneously acclimating to your energy and the energy of the surroundings. You don't want to move this unit a lot, folks. So once you've activated it and put it somewhere, just leave it there for as long as you can. If you have to move it, that's fine. But she likes to sit in one space and survey everything that's going on. So again, this is the Wishing Sphere Black. It is coming to a reality near you today, folks, effective immediately. Have a beautiful day.